Aray! Okay, Han! Sa kung sa Pilipinas pa to. Yung basura mo andito sa ano ko? Sa yard ko?
Kain! Too much food, kain! Good morning, Philippines!
Tignan nyo guys, nagpakilo eh. Gusto bigyan ng treats. Eat your din. Go eat your breakfast. Tignan nyo yung buto niya. Buntot. No. Eat your breakfast. I'm not giving you anything until you eat your breakfast. Go eat your breakfast over there, oh. Good morning, guys. Hindi okay yung pakiramdam namin. Yung asawa ko hindi makahinga dahil sa ilong na sobra sobra yung allergy niya talaga, guys. Alam ko naman na allergy siya sa pusa, pero hindi niya mapigilan talaga yung pusa. Parang i-ano niya ba, i-avoid niya. Laban ko lang to, guys. Mask ni Tommy. Laban ko lang siya para, alam niyo na, para magamit ulit niya. Yan. And anyway, so ngayon nandito kami sa bahay. Wala ngayong tawag nito. Ubo ako ng ubo. Ayaw kong umalis ngayon na araw. Gusto ko dito lang kami sa bahay. Yung mga naramdaman namin ba, I think ito yung sa weather. Kasi may mag-snow na naman daw ngayong gabi. Iwan ko talaga sa weather dito, guys. It's supposedly be nice already. Ready to plant. So yan. Laba-laba lang tayo. Namiss ko maglaba, guys. Ngayon is Sunday. Yan. Sunday ngayon, guys. Laba-laba time. Para i-ano ko lang ito. I-dry. Nagtitake din kami ng Dayquil. Ihahang ko lang ito siya. Dito. Baka tumulo. Ilagay natin yung laundry. Diyan para hindi siya. Kapag tumulo, dyan siya sa laundry yun. You don't eat your breakfast, right? You don't eat your breakfast. You don't? You're embarrassed now? Huh? Are you embarrassed now? Ados.
We have found that people really appreciate NFL because yes, we put on a great show, but then we also used our coming up on our football panel in about 20 minutes, and those are your headlines.
I love you.
What do we want for dinner? Burgers! I want burgers!
We begin. Please be safe.
Nagutom ako, guys. So, I ate the leftover yesterday. The chicken din. Ako, nagutom ay. Pumunta ako sa labas. It's going to snow today. Tonight. That's what the news said. So, we're almost May and we're still like this weather. Like, it's crazy. Like, feel like winter, right, Han? Nanonood kami ng James Bond. Sino kasama ko?
24/7. George Orwell's worst nightmare. I'm glad you like it.
Little boy. My
Commiserations on losing the nine. How you use the information that concerns
watch
who is
James
using it.
This is what we need to do to keep people safe. And you can't really tell me that one man in the field can compete with all this.
Yes, I still got my coffee to get cold. That's bad.
Hello!
No escape.
Stay like a dog. Ang ginaw ng bahay. Part ng bahay is maginaw. Han, can we shut off the fireplace? The other part of the house, every time I walk, it's freaking cold.
Where?
Yeah. My thing is gonna die soon.
Shut it off. You don't know what it is.
Where's the remote? Sobrang ginaw guys sa bahay. Yung mga, yung ano, heater namin hindi nag-on. Lalabas lang din ako.
I haven't seen any more than I saw him go up by trees because he goes down on the side of the hill. You can't see him.
Okay, is that what you were looking for?
Yeah.
It's rainy day.
So they saw him. You can hear him bark once.
Yeah.
And then he just like disappeared. Right?
Hapon na guys, nanonood kami ng Korean movie. Korean.
24 hours later.
Good morning, Syudad sa YouTube. Good morning, YouTube. Nag-tea ako ngayon guys. Inom tayo ng tea. Ulan ng ulan kagabi. Sobrang hangin din. Tea. Green tea. Ngayon gagawa tayo ng French toast. French toast tayo. Ito yung egg na gagamitin ko. At saka i-harvest ko yung ano ko. Kahit maliit pa yung scallion. For the egg later. Yan, harvest lang natin yan. Tina-transfer ko na pala kahapon yung pichay. Hopefully tumubo kasi sobrang lakas ng ulan at hangin kahapon, kagabi. Tinatabunan ko naman siya pero sana okay lang siya, diba? Ito. Milk. Lagyan natin ng milk. Kaya bumili kami nitong maliit na milk. Ayan. Batin na naman. Yes, lagyan ng paminta. Kaunti lang, guys. And kaunting asin. And do you have cinnamon here? So, let's see kung makikita ba natin yan. Maybe it's in the other side. Aray! Okay, hand hurts. Oh, I've been saying that. I thought it's a different seasoning. Say good morning to everyone.
Morning, guys.
So, let's add the cinnamon. Ayaw ko talaga tong cinnamon. Pero, para kakain itong asawa natin ito, lagyan ng maraming cinnamon. Kasi gustong-gusto niya yung cinnamon. So, yan. Cinnamon. Ano daw ito? Maganda daw ito sa puso. Puso ba yun? Hindi pa nga 7 o'clock guys. Time check. It is 6:45 na ng umaga. Yeah, 6:40. Sabi pa ng asawa ko, baka aalis siya, punta sa isang bahay kasi ulan ng ulan. Are they opening the New York thing, Han? Yeah, but it seems like it's been open for a long time. There's a lot of people in the city.
No. Nothing in New York City. New York State. Essential business is never closed, huh?
There's a lot of people in there. And you in there?
Look at this here. That ain't a lot.
I know, but still.
New York City normally you can't even look down, you can't see the sidewalk.
I know.
That is one town.
Kain tayo ng bread. 4 na bread. Ito, ganito ko siya i-ano guys. Dito. Ano ko nga ito. And then, kailangan mabilis yung apoy. Yan. I-flip natin, i-check. Amoy cinnamon, guys. Iba-brown lang natin siya kasi gusto ko yung brown na brown. Hindi naman sobrang brown, pero brown. And then, I have to add eggs here. Lutuin natin at saka mag-harvest tayo ng scallion. Yan yung gawin natin. Well, ang sarap ng ano, amoy ng cinnamon. Pero ay parang ayaw ko talaga siya. O kakain naman ako guys ng cinnamon kapag may mga ganon. Pero kung may choice, hindi ko siya lagyan or ayaw ko ng cinnamon. Kasi yun. Ay, sunog na si Manang. Sunog na si Manang. May bread ako na gusto talagang yung ano, gawing French toast. Yung malaking bread na mataba, hiwa-hiwain mo na lang siya. Yun, at saka may pagka-yellow. Okay guys, ano tayo guys, i-harvest natin itong isa. Ang payat pa nito, oy. Isa lang yung harvest natin. Ang payat.
The yellow one. The yellow one.
What other one?
The regular one.
I don't know.
The sugar-free one.
Look over there. Ikat natin ito guys. Tight. Alam, ang lakas. Yay! Our first harvest. The scallion. Breakfast. Yeah, on. Yan, kain lang kami guys. Nanonood kami kagabi ng ano guys, Korean novela. Oh, hindi novela, Korean movie. What was the title, Han?
The villainess.
The Villainess?
Right.
Yun. It's a good story. Korean. Hindi siya umilit pero gusto ko siyang parang ito. Ang liit, hindi kasi nainitan itong mga ano. Tumingin-tingin si Tami ng ano, greenhouse, pero feeling ko ayaw ko ng greenhouse. I don't want to buy greenhouse. Kasi guys, dito kasi guys, kapag mag-snow ang taas, hindi ko alam kung makasurvive siya sa snow kapag winter kasi sobrang, may time talaga na sobrang daming snow. Yun. And, yun, ang hangin din kapag may hangin, kapag may mga wind, mga storm. Yun yung kinatatakutan ko. Come here, Han! So, yun yung breakfast namin, guys. Yan siya, guys. Our breakfast. Look. Oh, guys. Anyway, I'm going to Walmart and I won't bring my husband with me. I'm alone. Yes, no.
Yes, I am.
Yes, hon. You stay home.
No.
You stay home, baby. Ay, naku. You stay home here. It's for your own good. I don't want you to be in a lot of people. I can do it. No, you stay here. Please listen to me this time. Okay? No, listen to me this time. Listen. No, listen to me this time. Han, you think I'm good, Han? Han, we're gonna hurt each other. You stay here. I'm gonna get ready. Why don't you clean our front thing?
Who?
Do vacuum and clean here. While I'm going to the grocery.
No, I'm not cooking that.
Huh?
I'm not cooking that when you're not here.
Why?
Because I have 4 stupidities to make kill.
Okay, you stay here. Just do your thing. I'll be right back. I'll just get what we need. Gusto ko lang ako yung mag-ano para...
You don't even know what we need.
Huh?
You don't even know what we need.
I know what I need. I need the cat food, my bread, cat litter, and I'm gonna find strawberries over there. And I need to add egg. I don't want another meat because we have too many meat. You will probably... Your pasta, your sausage, your meatballs, take it out. Make a sauce. Because I'm gonna look also the pasta, the black container you do. I like that. The thin pasta. I'm gonna buy that. wash my face really a little bit, and put mask, and go run to Walmart. I just really need to go to Walmart, guys, because we don't have, the cat food is low, very low. Han, did you notice we cannot find that pouch anymore?
I know when I went there, that's why I tell you, every time you go there, buy them. Oh no, we got plenty. I buy them when I go there because sometimes they don't have them.
And also, we are going to apply the thing on the floor here, dito sa entranceway. We have to put chemical. We did already in the kitchen area. We're gonna do it here. And after everything is done here, dry, we have to move all the couch. Move the couch there, scotch the couch everywhere. Then we have to clear the whole living room. Yep, that's what we're going to do. But for now, I need to go grocery early. What time are they open? 11? Walmart. Okay. So, mag-ready lang ako, guys. And the dog is still not eating their food. So, hindi namin sila bigyan ng treats. Good morning. Nakapag-ready na ako, guys. And aalis tayo. Yun, I don't know kung isama ko kayo. I think hindi na. Kasi, alam nyo naman na, kailangan kong maging safety. Na-realize ko na nagbablog ako. And then, kapag mag-grocery. And then, ilagay ko, hawak ako ng mga hawak ng mga kahit anik-anik. And then, hawak sa camera. So, yun siya. So, avoid tayo ngayon. And, ipakita ko na lang sa inyo kung ano yung mga binibili ko kapag uwi ko. Yup, ulan ng ulan kagabi, and sobrang hangin din. So, yun. So, ang pangit, guys, ng panahon, at saka below, I think 30 ngayon. Yeah, 40. So, sobrang ginaw. Tina-transfer ko yung sili, at saka yung cucumber dito. Ito, patay na to, guys. Patay na to. Tina-transfer ko lang yung mga para maraming lupa. Pinarvest ko yun dito isa, oh. Kailangan ko lang lagyan ng tubig ito. Ito, okay lang yun. So, tayo lang yung grocery para hindi ma-expose yung asawa natin sa mga ang ginaw, guys. Grabe. May pinaplant ako doon kahapon ba? Tignan natin kung nakayanan ba niya. Look, nakaya naman. So, hindi naman siya namamatay. Malas yung pag-garden. Okay naman siya, guys. Okay. Hindi naman siya namamatay. Pero, malas yung pag-garden natin ngayon. Araw kasi, yung panahon. Magdala ako ng bag. Kasi dito, guys, kailangan mong magdala na ng bag, di ba? At sa palubat din ako, guys. Let me see kung meron tayong gloves. Yeah, meron tayong gloves. Yung kapitbahay namin dito, hindi din sila umaalis-alis. Grabe yung yung ba? Tawag nito yung langit, guys, ang itim. Let's go, guys. Okay. Ang itim ng panahon talaga. Ano yung andito sa yard namin? May something dito ba? Hold on. Baton po ito. Ano yan? Ay, ito talagang kapitbahay namin. Alam nyo, itong kapitbahay namin, palagi silang ng mga nila. Tignan mo. May botilya dito. Kaloka talaga. Sa kanila man yan dito, oh. Every time na may basura sila sa amin talaga mapunta. Nakakairita man yung ganyan. Kung sa Pilipinas pa to, na yan, pinagsisigaw-sigawan na. Ano ka ba dan? Yung basura mo andito sa ko? Sa yard ko? Gaway na. Dito hindi pwede. Kasi nakakahiya. Kasuhan ka pa. Anyway, alam nyo, nasasad talaga ako dito sa panahon. Kasi dapat maganda na yung ngayong panahon. May na for few weeks from now, mga 1 week. I think 1 week or almost 2 weeks. May. And then ganito pa rin yung panahon. So, hindi natin alam, guys, kung bakit ganito yung panahon. May mga pangyayari sa mundo ngayon na parang magtataka ka ba? Bakit nangyayari ito? Ganon.
A few moments later.
Hi, guys. So, I'm done here. Actually, napabili ako ng hindi, wala sa listahan. Pero konti lang naman yung nabili ko na wala sa listahan. And, yun, let's go. Okay. Car. Okay. So anyway, so let's go home. Good thing about growing grocery sa umaga, it's almost 11 o'clock na. Ang pinakamaganda talaga maaga. Konti lang tao. And I slowly go insane. Wherever you go, whatever you do. Okay, ito yung nabili ko guys. Cat leather. Ito yung binili ko na ano para magagamit ko pag wala ng laman. Come here, Ann. I'll show you what I got. I'll wash my hand after it. Ito siya guys. Dog thing. I get this. Okay, honey, here. The cast iron. Kick the cellophane. Look, it's heavy, right? And I also got this mushroom for tonight. And I got sayote for the chicken soup. Look, Han. They have mango, like the Costco mango. Look. And, yun. And I got my husband a thing. Here. Because you like sweet stuff. Oh. You're right. Yeah, you're mad. That's your favorite. That's the only. And here, the bread. And I got pork. I got chicken for soup. And the pork is for soupy too. So, soupy or humba. Two of it. I got skirt, Han. Look, Han. I found this. It's cute.
All the chicken you got? Wings?
All the wings. Part wings. And this is for the soup I'm going to make. Here. Mint. That's good. So ngayon guys, nagutom pag-uwi dito sa bahay, gutom. So lutuin natin yung roast beef. And I'm cooking this roast beef. Do you want to cook or you want to eat it the way it is? You let me know. Huh? Do you like it the way it is? Ang liit, kinuha ko talaga tong maliit, oh. Sobrang liit. It's really small mangohan. And it's ripe. I will eat that. Laki na ng mukha natin, guys. Okay lang yan. Wala naman, hindi naman ako mamatay kapag malaki yung mukha ko. So, yan. Okay lang yan. Bahala malaki. Kung sino man yung mga malalaki mukha. Katulad yan sa akin. Anyway. So, yun. Yung gamitin natin para hindi masira yung I have to cut more garlic for for fried rice kasi masarap. Fried rice. Ang sakit dito yung nauntog sa sasakyan ni Taming sakit. Ayan. Ito yung lunch namin, guys. Yun yung kay Tami. Anyway, kakain din tayo ng mango. Yung maliit na mango. Kakainin natin yun. Kain. Said kain.
Too much food.
You said kain.
I said too much food. Kain. Too much food. Kain.
That's why I'm fat.
Are you giving that to them or you want to put them in here?
Huh?
You giving those 2 pieces to them or you put them in here?
Itong mango, guys, na sobrang liit, sobrang cute. Han, do you want the cute mango? So sweet, Han. So good, Han. Han! The best, Han!
You can get enough of them.
I hope every different size is good, too.
Well, you should have got more.
You want?
No.
I will slice you.
No.
I will slice you.
No.
I will slice you.
No, very good. You should have more. You didn't get enough. I feel bad for you. You really do, but...
Bad girl. Eat your din din. I'll give you 3 days. You eat your din din first.